Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to fix lag in Fortnite PlayStation 5. Let's go. What causes lags? Because of a bad network or because of the hardware? Open settings, video, show FPS, enable. Now you will be able to see the FPS. Open game user interface, net debug stats. Enable. Now you will be able to see the ping. If you have a low FPS, then there are problems in the hardware. If you have a high ping, then there are problems on the network. How can I fix network problems? Game, matchmaking, region, select auto or the region with the lowest ping. 15, 16 is pretty good and average. Open settings, network, set up internet connection. Choose your network. Options. Set the settings as I have. How can I fix hardware problems? Open settings, save data and game app settings, game presets, performance mode or resolution mode. Choose game default. Maybe the console just overheated. Let it cool down. That's it. Now you know how to fix lag in Fortnite PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.